If you are looking for a chair for your living space, we've got a pair of these chairs here recently. This is our daughter's apartment. We've been helping her get set up. Really comfortable chairs. It spins around, comfortable. It's got high sides on the sides here, so I like that. And got good elbow support right here. Comfortable, thick cushions right here. And we've got two of them for her apartment. So we got a nice kind of a modern looking apartment here. Now we're still, work in progress. Probably going to get some type of couch here in the middle, have the chairs on the side. But for now, these are really nice. Enjoying sitting in them. And we got a pair of them. If this is what you're looking at, we really like them. And she likes them. She's in her early 20s. So for a young person, this would be something that they would like as well. So if you're looking for these chairs or taking a look at them, we like them a lot. She likes them. Everybody likes them. Nice chairs.